Hi, for my persuasive speech, my topic will be based on should testing on animals be banned? And I will be siding with yes, I believe that they should be banned. Now, animal testing have been used to study the safety of medicine, makeup, healthcare, and much more for the benefit of humans. Now, in an article that I found called 5 Reasons to End Animal Testing, written by Dr. Tarmis Hodam, he does state the animal tests are expensive, time consuming, unethical, not predictive, not representative of human diversity, and not always reproducible. Now, I will go over the different reasons on why animal testing should be stopped, as well as why scientists agree with the idea of still using animals. Now, for my first argumentative topic, I will be going over animal testings and why they are expensive and time consuming. Dr. Harding did state in his article that animals are experimented on over a long period of time, during which researchers collect and analyze a lot of data to ensure that they are not missing any harmful effects. Now, many do suggest that using other approaches, such as cell-based models, could help scientists to get results faster and cheaper. Now, although it does cost money, scientists want to spend more time investing in human-like sources, such as cells and humans themselves, to get the best results. Now, for my other topic, animals don't always have the same diseases as humans. They are mainly injected with them. In another article that I found called Cruelty Free International, it does state that animals do not naturally get many of the diseases that humans do, such as major types of heart diseases and cancer. Majority of these harmful and suffering treatments aren't even fully effective in discovering a cure. In this article, the same article I found, they also stated that Vioxx, a drug used to treat arthritis, was found to be safe when tested in monkeys and other animals, but was also found to have caused around 140 heart attacks and strokes and 60,000 deaths worldwide in humans. So the anti-inflammatory prescription drug Vioxx was later taken off the market due to causing too many complications in humans. Now, I do want to go over why it is ethical for animal testing to be allowed. Some experiments aren't possible to do on humans. In an article that I found by Harvard Medical School announces to understand how a given disease arises at the most basic level and how it progresses through various stages, researchers must induce this disease in animal models first. Before scientists can start the process of testing on humans, they must first experiment with animals. Now, Harvard Medical School did mention that in December of 2022, the U.S. government passed legislation that allows drug manufacturers to submit data based on non-animal alternatives for biosimilar drugs and medicines that are highly similar to other already approved ones. So, even though there is a law that passed that isn't required to study on animals, many administrators still continue to use animal testing before moving on to the next stage where they can test on humans. Now, for my last topic, I want to go back to why they should be banned. And a lot of communities are fighting to ban testing on animals. Now, due to many activists and organizations religiously fighting against animal testing, many countries have taken opportunities to lower or even cancel research regarding animals. In an article that I found, they declare that the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, known as the EPA, has committed to eliminating funding for projects containing mammal testings by 2035. And this was written by Gracie Huson, and her article, it was called Sentiment Policy Declares. Gracie Huson also stated that bans have been passed or proposed in a number of countries on every continent, including Guatemala, Argentina, Australia, and South Korea. It seems that people everywhere are recognizing that the unnecessary suffering of animals and testing are bad. Countries worldwide are fighting to banish animal testings because they are expensive, time-consuming, unethical, and just straightforward torturous.